11. The diagram shows a shape ABCD formed by the sectors of two circles with the same center. O, both sectors' angles are 140 degrees. OC is 3.2 and CB is 2.6. The area of the shape is K pi cm square. Find the value of K. So this is K. You just calculate in terms of pi. Okay. To calculate the area of the shaded, you need to take the sector this is 140 B O A. Okay, this will be 3.2. You plus this 2, you get 5.8. The radius is 5.8. You minus the smaller sector 140. This is COT, which is 3.2. Okay, formula to find the sector. Okay, so area is equal to theta over 360 times pi r squared. So in this case, the first one is 140 over 360 times pi r is 5.8 square minus 140 over 360 times pi times 3.2 square. Okay. The K, okay, this should equal to K pi. So if we take the pi outside, factorize and just take out the pi, you will get 140 over 360 times 5.8 square minus 140 over 360 times 3.2 square. Everything pi, this should equal to K pi. So from here, your K should equal to this. Just calculate. When you calculate, your K should equal to 9.1. Just ignore the pi, don't calculate with the pi. So remember, practice is the key and good luck with your study. If this is your first time, so do subscribe for more tricks and step-by-step solution as well as answering strategies. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.